Today we will talk about the Biopls Slim Pro. We from the Best For You channel. We have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before buying Biopls Slim Pro. If you are researching about Biopls Slim Pro, it is probably because you are tired of investing your time and money in methods and products that do not work. Well, then let's help you understand more about Biopls Slim Pro and see if it really is what you're looking for. There are some very important alerts I need to tell you. The first is, watch out for the fake product advertisements, especially here on YouTube. There are people talking about the Biopls Slim Pro who may just want to have sell. Be careful. Another important care you should take is in relation to the product purchase site, as there are many fake websites on the internet, and it is important to access the official website to make the purchase of the original product. To help you, I'll leave the video below in the description, the link to the official website. Good, but let's talk about the product Biopls Slim Pro. Biopls Pro formula has been developed to help the user get rid of stubborn fat that seems unable to lose. While many programs focus on changes in diet and physical activity, this supplement works well without other changes. Of course, users who choose to integrate healthier habits will probably see better results, but this is not mandatory for the effects that creators promise. Biopls Pro focuses on actually putting metabolism back on track, bringing improvements in indigestion, blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels to those who consume the product. One of the main ways to fix many of these problems is by reducing the hunger hormones the body produces, helping to regulate the user's appetite properly. Biopls Pro also helps stop the damage that aging can cause by reinvigorating metabolism to work in the same way it used to when the user was younger. With all these improvements in health, it will be remarkable an improvement in the quality of sleep at night. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Biopls Slim Pro, and you can get results too. The supplement takes only about 30 seconds of the day to get the body back on track. There are already many success stories on the official website, including the experience of a woman who led her to lose over 70 pounds. It is unclear how long on average people need to take this formula to make a big difference, but most supplements require a commitment of approximately 3 months or more to see substantial changes. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little obvious, but I'm saying this so you'll be realistic about your treatment and expectations. The excellent formula of Biopls Slim Pro includes in its composition congregated linoleic acid, lactobacillus acidophilus, green coffee bean extract, green tea leaf extract, and garcinia extract. The combination of these ingredients reverses the effects that aging has had on metabolism, helping fat cells 2 more times to provide the energy the body needs. One very important information you need to know is that Biopls Slim Pro has a 60-day warranty. So, if you don't like the product and want to return it, you will have a 60-day warranty and your money will be returned without any problems. Well, we at The Best For You created this video to alert you to the fraudulent websites and channels you have here on the internet. We've gathered all the most important information about Biopls Slim Pro, so we hope you can better understand the composition and effects that Biopls Slim Pro will bring to your body. I hope your goal is achieved and you have a happy life. If you like this video, please leave your like and sign up here on the Best For You channel so you won't miss the upcoming content. I'll stick around until the next video. Bye.